and this is Terrapin.
I'm Rusty Skies.
I am Puck.
My name's Novel.
I'm Kamali.
I'm Ray.
And I am from Dirty Kid Village.
Fat Kid's Kitchen.
Nick and Knight.
I'm camped over by Turtle Tea Kitchen.
I'm camped by Story Glory.
We're from Stockpot Kitchen.
This is Hot Pot.
When I was a teenager, the hippie movement started, and it was an immediate new direction for humanity. We saw that the old ways of war and money and domination were coming to an end.
But here in the kitchens at Rainbow, we have a foundation of community going on. So we have your hot soapy, your bleach, and then your rinse. And then we build bliss wells to dry our dishes on, to serve food on, to prepare food on. There are different kitchens like the Love and Ovens. They will have bread racks and they build ovens from the earth.
Philosophy of Rainbow.
Ooh.
My philosophy is constantly changing.
I think that Rainbow is one of the greatest experiments in anarchy that you can find.
You always get to meet a lot of new people, and sometimes I get to help in the kitchen.
For me, it's a place to be myself.
It's a place where you can meet like-minded individuals and you can pursue like your special interests.
The Rainbow Gathering is a decentralized group of people who will collectively gather in a national forest for 2 to 4 weeks and build a temporary village.
When the Rainbow Gathering started in '72, it took the whole hippie movement and grounded it in Mother Nature. Before that, it was just a cultural experience in the city, and it was starting to get corrupted around the time Rainbow started. So Rainbow is a portal to the future of humanity. All of humanity has to embrace these values, loving the earth, sharing amongst each other, and working together. So Rainbow is like a harbinger of the future. This is the prophecy. This is how it's beginning. And this spirit is going to permeate around the world, or we're doomed.
Why did the turkey cross the road?
Why?
Because it was the chicken's day off.
You're yoking me.
Why do graveyards have fences around them?
Why?
Because people are just dying to get in. Why did the burger lose the race?
Why?
Because he couldn't catch up.
Very funny.
Last joke. Here, go. Okay. What do you say to a constipated Buddha? This too shall pass.
So they're the next generation of us. Without them, without providing a space for the kids in the Rainbow Gathering, then the Rainbow could just dwindle out.
Well, mamas and babies first. Obviously, our parents and babies first. You know, we all acknowledge that kids are young and need support. I think from a kitchen standpoint, that's how I view kids. I see kids and I'm like, what can we give the kids? Like, how can we help the kids?
can feel my heartbeat into the rhythm of a freedom song. I can feel my heartbeat. I can feel my heartbeat. I can feel my heartbeat.
The Rainbow Gathering is a holy circle that gathers to pray and celebrate life.
My name is Zanaya, and what world peace means is kindness, love, and love means not to fight.
Please join us in praying and making this world more beautiful, more sustainable, more loving, more kind for us and all who come after us.
The heart has many meanings, you see. At Rainbow, we have heart fires, we have heart songs, we have hearts to cheer. But the heart is a tender muscle, you see. It can be broken so easily. Not with a knife or a gun or a bomb. That would destroy your heart. But broken with a promise broken. Don't love make. Make love. Take love. Forsake love. Need love. Desire love. Want love. Because you're never going to give your heart. You're going to protect your heart. You're going to be making, taking, forsaking, needing, wanting, desiring. Only when you give your heart can you be open to receive another's heart.
Here, can you use this? All the fairies are gonna love this.